Alright YouTube, while I have some quiet in between this league startup, I am going to go over some of the finer points of the bowling alley machines. So it's a pretty simple system. We have a pin elevator in the back, this big cylinder that rides the pins up. It hits this, what is called a distributor, and the distributor is a geared system that slots the pins into their bays where they end up. This is the upper end of the table where they end up. And then we have something called a shuttle bar down here. This bar moves in and out to release the pins. They fall down into the lower end of the table onto these cups, and these cups swing down 90 degrees to set the pins down where they sit. When someone bowls, they end up down here on this carpet that rolls them right back up to the pin elevator so that they can restart. There is also an extra point in this right here that I will show you. This is the fingers. On the second ball step, this closes to grab the pins and pull them up and then set them down in between your two shots. And then when that's done, the sweep comes down in the front of the lane there. You can see the corner of it, and it sweeps all of the extra pins back in between shots and at the end when you clear your shot. So that is the main parts of the machine and a basic understanding of how the machine works. We will get a little bit more in depth later. I am gonna go over real quick before it gets noisy in here, the ball lift system as well. This is our ball lift belt. 2 lanes are run by 1 ball lift belt. This belt in particular, when a ball comes down, it'll enter into the bottom of the bay there, and this lift slide up. You're about to see it happen right now. So that's how the ball lift belt works. It's a humpback belt system. It catches the ball, and that little plate down there that you see going back and forth filters the ball from both lanes. Here it comes again. All right, so that's a basic understanding of the machines. I hope that's helpful to anyone who was curious about how that worked, and we'll get more into repairs later.